Hi, it's Jan Hamning. I've got Barb here and I've got Donna here, and we're here to do some EFT tapping on their snack cravings. This COVID-19 is keeping people isolated, and it's causing more and more people to snack more than they normally snack. So we're going to do some tapping to try to release the need or the desire for their go-to snacks. So let's start with Donna. Donna, what is your go-to snack while you're in isolation?
Okay, my go-to is kettle chips, rippled kettle chips with lots of oil and salt.
Wow.
Potato chips, yeah, the crunch, the taste, taste feels good.
Ripple kettle chips.
Yeah, they've got the ridges in it, the ridge and their kettle
Yeah, is that a
chip.
Ripple, the Ripple brand, name brand?
No, it's
Okay.
kettle chip brand, and so
Kettle
it's
chips.
lots more oil.
Kettle chips ridged with, which flavor do you like?
Just it's got Himalayan salt.
Okay. So when you think of going to get a snack, that's one of your go-tos, the ridged kettle chips with the Himalayan salt.
Absolutely. And I have the industrial size bag.
Oh, good. Good. From the big box stores, right?
Yep, from Costco. Absolutely.
Okay. Okay. So when you think about your ridged kettle chips with the Himalayan salt, when you just think about them, how does that make you feel right now when you think about it, this moment?
Thinking about it, I salivate for it. I mean, it just has it's very compelling.
Okay. So on a scale of 0 to 10, right now, if you were to think about the Himalayan salt, the ridged kettle chips, how much in a 0 to 10 scale, how much do you really like them and crave them? It might not be the exact time of day you would do it, but just how much do you like them?
I like them at a 9.5.
Okay. And Barb, what's your go-to snack right now during the isolation?
Peanut butter M&Ms.
Okay. Peanut butter M&Ms. Okay. And when you think about peanut butter M&Ms on a scale of 0 to 10, how much do you just love them and crave them?
A little more than I thought because my mouth is watering. Just thinking about it, I would say, like right now, it's a strong 7.
Okay. 7 plus.
Yes.
Okay. And your mouth is watering just thinking of butter M&Ms. Okay. I am going to mute Barb, and we're going to tap with Donna right now. We're going to be using borrowed benefits for Barb and for anybody else that's out there that wants to tap along on whatever their craving is. And we're going to, because Barb's just going to say what we're saying, but we're going to see how it affects her craving for the peanut butter M&Ms. Are you ready, Donna?
I'm ready.
Okay. Tap on the side of the hand. Even though I have this craving.
Even though I have this craving.
For ridged kettle chips with Himalayan salt.
For ridged kettle chips with Himalayan salt.
It just makes me salivate when I think about them.
Just makes me salivate when I think about them.
And my craving's about a 9.5.
And my craving's about a 9.5.
Out of 10 on the scale.
Out of 10 on the scale.
And I deeply and completely accept myself.
And I deeply and completely accept myself.
Even though I crave kettle chips.
Even though I crave kettle chips.
The Himalayan salt ridged kettle chips.
The Himalayan salt ridged kettle chips.
Oh, they just make me salivate thinking about them.
They just make me salivate thinking about them.
I love them.
I love them.
They're my go-to snack right now.
They're my go-to snack right now.
And I completely accept myself and how I feel about them.
And I completely accept myself and how I feel about them.
Even though I just love the Himalayan salt kettle chips.
Even though I just love the Himalayan salt kettle chips.
With the ridges in them.
With the ridges in them.
They're compelling.
They're compelling.
And I just love them.
And I just love them.
And I'd hate to say that I accept myself, but I have to accept how I feel about them right now.
I hate to say that I accept myself, how I feel about that, but I do right now.
Right now. And I'm open to changing that.
And I'm open to changing that.
Yeah. Oh, those kettle chips, Himalayan salt.
Oh, those kettle chips with Himalayan salt.
I salivate.
I salivate.
The kettle chips with Himalayan salt.
The kettle chips with Himalayan salt.
They're compelling.
They're compelling.
They're my go-to snack right now.
They're my go-to snack right now.
Himalayan salt kettle chips with ridge.
Himalayan kettle chips with
Ridges.
kettle chips with Himalayan salt that are ridged.
They're compelling.
They're compelling.
And I salivate thinking about them.
And I salivate thinking about them.
Oh, Himalayan salt kettle chips.
Himalayan salt kettle chips.
I salivate just thinking about them.
I salivate just thinking about them.
Himalayan salt kettle chips with ridges.
Himalayan salt kettle chip with ridges.
I salivate just thinking about them.
I salivate just thinking about them.
I wonder if there's another food I could go to that's healthier.
I wonder if there's another food I could go to that's healthier.
I wonder if I could, I don't know, sprinkle salt on some celery, maybe. I don't know.
I don't know, maybe I could sprinkle some salt on celery.
That's salty and crunchy.
That's salty and crunchy.
I wonder if I'd be open to substituting those potato chips.
I wonder if I'd be open to substituting those potato chips.
Those kettle chips with Himalayan salt.
Those kettle chips with Himalayan salt.
I wonder how it would feel if I just substituted something else for those.
I wonder how it would feel if I just substituted something else for those.
Something that's a little healthier.
Something that's a little healthier.
Because I really don't want to gain weight during this isolation.
Because I really don't want to gain weight during this isolation.
I wonder how that would feel if I could just figure out what else I could substitute.
I wonder if I could just figure out something else that I could substitute.
Yeah, like maybe something really healthy that's crunchy.
Maybe something else that's really healthy that's crunchy.
I don't know, maybe celery or apples.
Maybe celery or apples with peanut butter?
Peanut butter? I wonder if I would be okay with substituting those chips for something else.
I wonder if I would be okay substituting those chips for something else.
Substituting the Himalayan salt kettle chips.
Substituting the Himalayan salt kettle chips.
With something else that's crunchy.
With something else that's crunchy.
And I can add a little salt to it.
I could add a little salt to it.
I just have to believe it'd be healthier than the kettle chips.
I just have to believe it would be healthier than the kettle chips.
I wonder if I could be open to substituting something else.
I wonder if I could be open to substituting something else.
I think I could give this a try.
I think I could give this a try.
And I think I'd be okay with that.
And I think I'd be okay with that.
So if you notice, Barb is yawning like crazy, and that is a great sign when you're tapping. That is the proof that there's an energy shift going on. And so if somebody, energy moves in different ways for different people, yawning, belching, some people hear their stomachs growling, they'll be like, oh my gosh, my stomach is growling like crazy. There's different ways that the energy is shifting. And so that's a great sign when I saw Barb yawning like crazy. So Donna, how does that make you feel when you think about the Himalayan salt kettle chips right now?
It's interesting. I felt that I was really anxious. We happened to have celery in the house and some peanut butter, and I was thinking, I bet, and it's crunchy peanut butter. I wonder if I put a little bit of peanut butter on the celery. That sounded really good.
Oh, good.
Yeah, so I think
Oh,
that I'm pretty sure that I'd be open to try that.
okay. And how's the, when you think about the kettle chips right now, how strong is that craving? It was a 9.5 before.
Yeah, it's maybe a 3.
Okay.
It's just not there. And I think maybe because I've thought of something else that might work.
Yeah, good. And Barb, how did it go for you with your M&M peanut butter M&Ms?
Really good. And when Donna mentioned the apple with the peanut butter, I used to eat that a lot as a kid. And I just thought that's actually a really good substitute. And that's when I started yawning, and or I might have yawned before that, but that really started bringing things up. And I thought that's definitely a really good replacement. Yeah.
Yes. So when you look at your number, you were a strong 7 before on the craving. How is it now when you think about the peanut butter M&Ms?
Maybe a 1 or a 2.
Okay.
Is barely there.
Yeah, that's great.
Yeah.
That was a great change. Okay, so we're going to tap one more round on this, and I'm going to mute Donna. And we're just going to tap on whatever's remaining, that craving that's remaining, and we're going to tap just a little bit more on replacement. Okay? So Barb, we're going to tap with you this time.
Okay.
Even though I have a little bit of craving left
Even though I have a little bit of craving left
for those peanut butter M&Ms,
for those peanut butter M&Ms,
but I think I might be a little more open to replacing them with something healthier.
I think I might be more open to replacing them with something healthier.
And I really am happy that I'm thinking this way.
I'm really happy I'm thinking this way.
Yeah, even though I have just a little bit of craving left
Even though I have just a little bit of craving left
for the peanut butter M&Ms,
for the peanut butter M&Ms,
I accept this and I'm willing to continue working on it.
I accept this and I'm willing to continue working on it.
Even though I have just a little bit of craving for those peanut butter M&Ms,
Even though I have just a little bit of craving for those peanut butter M&Ms,
I'm now open to replacing the M&Ms with something else.
I'm now open to replacing the M&Ms with something else.
And I accept that about myself and how I feel.
I accept that about myself and how I feel.
I'm really happy
I'm really happy
that I'm thinking this way.
that I'm thinking this way. It's a relief, actually.
Good. What a relief.
What a relief.
I'm open to thinking of a replacement
I'm open to thinking of a replacement
for those peanut butter M&Ms.
for those peanut butter M&Ms.
What a relief.
What a relief.
I think I can actually replace the peanut butter M&Ms
I think I can actually replace the peanut butter M&Ms
with something healthier.
with something healthier.
I'm so open to changing that craving.
I'm so open to changing that craving.
And it feels so good just thinking that I can do it.
And it feels so good just thinking I can do it.
What a relief
What a relief
that I can replace the peanut butter M&Ms
that I can replace the peanut butter M&Ms
with something healthier.
with something healthier.
Maybe a little bit of peanut butter on celery.
Maybe a little bit of peanut butter on celery.
It'd be better than peanut butter M&Ms.
Could be better than peanut butter M&Ms.
And I bet I'd feel a lot better about myself too.
And I bet I'd feel a lot better about myself too.
I think I'm replacing the peanut butter M&Ms.
I think I'm replacing the peanut butter M&Ms
Something healthier,
with something healthier,
like celery
like celery
and peanut butter.
and peanut butter.
And who knows what else?
And who knows what else?
Maybe I'll get even healthier than that.
Maybe I'll get even healthier than that.
But for now, I just feel such relief
But for now, I just feel such relief
that my craving for peanut butter M&Ms is going away.
that my craving for peanut butter M&Ms is going away.
And I'm open to replacing it with something healthier.
And I'm open to replacing it with something healthier.
Okay. How does that feel right now, Barb?
Really good. I have a desire to go get apples and peanut butter.
Oh. Okay,
I know I have apples in the house.
good. And Donna, how about you?
I'm actually ready for when I have lunch later today to maybe have some celery with peanut butter afterwards.
Wow, great. Yeah, that was a good shift for both of you. Yeah, that was really good. And, you know, as everybody can see, that it didn't take a lot of time. And there's no wrong words. There's no right words. There, you just say what comes to your mind, and you just tap along, and you can follow those tapping points that we used. Make sure you wash your hands before you tap on your face these days. And if you have any questions, you can contact me, janethamning@gmail.com, or nevertoolatetolosetheweight.com. With any questions, there's plenty of videos and articles on my website. And I thank Donna and Barb for joining me today and being brave and recording another video on EFT. This is on the food cravings during COVID-19, during isolation. So I have small group tapping sessions going on through the end of April. You can go to my Facebook page, and there's plenty of ways to get in touch with me to find out how to sign up for those small group tapping sessions. And they would be on the order of this, up to 4 people I'm accepting. So hopefully you will be tapping your way through all the cravings you're having these days and overeating. And thank you for watching.